So I'm here with the dog lifesaver, Alex Dovegeared. Alex, what actually happened in your own words?
I came out the house and saw an elderly lady distressed about her dog and ran up the road and caught her dog after screaming at it to stop when she told me it had no recall, and it stopped when I screamed to stop. So I'm happy about that.
It went across the main road, though. Well, it went along a pavement next to the main road, and didn't you commandeer a van to find it?
No, the DP. To be fair to the DPD driver, he drove down the road and he saw me and he said to me, "Do I want to lift back?" And I thought that's very courteous of him, because at the end of the day, he shouldn't have done that, but he did do it, and I was courteous of it.
And what made you, what was the dog called, and what made it come to you?
Bruno, and I just shouted at him, "Bruno, stop!" and he stopped. That was how I did it, and that's how you have to do it.
Brilliant. And finally, give us a woof woof.
Woof woof.
Good man. Thank you.